Good morning, hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I want to talk about an incredible setup on Google stock. I'll be going over the call option that I am looking at. I'm taking a look at a January 12th expiration. So we're going to be having around 2 to 3 weeks for this play. In this video, I want to go over the stop loss to price target and really give my perspective and what I am taking a look at. If you guys want live buy and sell alerts, on Discord, we had a nice 96% gain on oil. Make sure to click the link in the description. We only got 10 spots left. I'll be closing it off because we are doing a small account challenge and we can't have new people coming in once we start the challenge. So make sure to check that out. So Google looks incredible. I'm taking a look at the daily setup and we have an incredible symmetrical triangle going on the daily time frame. So I've been consolidating since October. So for 2 months, we have really been consolidating for Google. And now we have this setup where we are getting tighter and tighter. So the best probability for Google is really buying in at the support. Okay, this is the best probability. So, I want to buy in like 2 contracts, 3 contracts, but we still have that probability that we might reject this resistance today and we might come back down. And if we do come back down, then I want to be buying in at the level of support for Google. So this is going to be our stop loss to close below around $131. Our breakout area is going to be this resistance right here. So we are bullish above 137, and what we need to see is we need to see that close above. Okay, we need to see that close above $136 today on the daily time frame. So right now we're pretty good. We're up right now during pre-market, but we really want to see that close, and I really want to take a look at other examples and show you guys why. So whenever we are breaking out of a downtrend or any setup, the main confirmation that we see is once we close above. So for example, with SoFi, right when we closed above, we had a massive pop for SoFi. GameStop being another example, right when we closed up, and I'm pretty sure it's going to run today. If we take a look at AMD, for example, a setup that I like to talk a lot about, right when it closes above the level of resistance, it indicates that we have broken the trend. So for Google, we want to see that. Even for Tesla, an incredible play that we are on right now, it closed above and broke out of the downtrend on the daily time frame, and we got that confirmation, and now we're going to see a nice trend to the upside as it is running during pre-market right now. So for example, for Google, once we are taking a look at a swing and I want to get in the call option, the main confirmation is going to be that we have broken the trend. We're taking a look at the weekly time frame for Google, and it looks incredible. It looks very nice. We are pretty much just going for all-time highs being our price target, and the whole market is really running with that. Now let's take a look at the call option that I am looking at. So the first thing I want to look at is what expiration do I want to get. I'm taking a look at Google right now, and it hasn't like gotten that tight yet. For example, if we take a look at the setup that we had on Lemonade or Target, where we had the triangle setup and ascending triangle setup, you could see, for example, with Target, it was getting extremely tight, and right when we closed above, we had a very nice pop and very nice continuation. So for example, if I take a look at Costco, we were trading sideways, and when it got extremely tight, and then we had that massive pop and massive breakout. So for Google, my concern is that we haven't gotten that tight yet, so I want to grab a longer expiration. I'm taking a look at the chart here, and I'm thinking of around expiration around here. Okay, this amount of time I think is enough. So around, I'm thinking January 10th to January 11th. So if I go to the options profit calculator, I'm taking a look at a January 12th call. Now the cool part about Google is, even if you buy a expiration which is 2 to 3 weeks out or even a month out, they're pretty cheap compared to something like Tesla. Our Tesla contract was like $2,000. Because Google is a cheaper stock. So I'm taking a look at a at-the-money call. We had a strike price of 137 and January 12th. You guys can click calculate, and we can really see the profit. My price target is going to be $141. So $141 is going to be our price target. So I'm going to type that in here, and that is going to be around a 50 to 40% gain depending on when we hit this target. We can hit this target in like 3 days if we have a massive breakout, and that would be a 70% gain. So it just matters when we hit this price target. We can come back down below, and then I want to average down and buy more at this contract, because this is going to be the area that we're actually want to buy in. Okay, I typically want to buy in at the support, but buying in at the breakout is pretty good. So it really depends on when we hit that price target. At expiration, if we hit 141, that's going to be around a 38% gain. So I love to contract on Google. It's also a nice small account play. It's only $360. So this is what I am taking a look at Google. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the Discord if you guys do want to follow along with me, because I'll be giving out my entry here. So I don't want to show too much. Okay, I don't want to show too much because we have some secret plays here, especially for shares and leaps. We got like a $4 stock, $3 stock. So make sure to check that out, and see you guys later. Take care.